Well, it finally happened. The computer did take its final ride the other day. It no longer can play on anything. I'm going to essentially just take the hard drive and take what I can get off of it. RIP old computer. You'll notice I'm sitting down on the ground in my room. This is an area you guys don't really get to see too often, and that's fine. That's fine. It's an uninteresting place to be. However, today we do have something cool, something new, something thanks to all of you. We've been able to finally afford, well, partially afford. I ended up paying a little bit more of it onto one of my cards, just so I could make sure I can walk home with it today, because we need a computer after all. I mean, it is something we work on. You'll notice that the audio in here is coming in a little strong in some points, sometimes not so much strong, but that's also because I have another microphone attached to my camera. It's my little lapel mic. There's going to be a video on that eventually. That's not why we're on a floor here. Today we're on a floor because I want to show you what I got, thanks to you people. Yes, you people, all you people. And what I got here, we're gonna move that over, is this guy. Yeah, I know you guys can't really see it too well, but it's the, oh god, it's heavy as hell. It's a new computer. It's the IBUYPOWER gaming desktop. The Trace 941 edition, essentially. If you guys want any details on it, I'm going to read off the details. They're going to be on the screen right here. It's got an Intel iCore i7-8700K processor, 6-core, 3.7 gigahertz, 4.7 gigahertz turbo, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 8GB, 16 gigs of RAM, 240 gigs SATA solid state drive, 1 terabyte SATA hard drive, liquid cooling, clear tempered glass, and Windows 10 and all that other fun stuff that you guys really don't care about after that. No, this wasn't cheap, but the good news is this thing's VR ready. So if I ever get a VR headset by some miracle, we can attach it to this and we can actually have some more fun. I am here to show you the interior of this box, or at least what comes out of this box, and that might require me to raise my camera just a little. You like how dirty my floor is in here? It's awesome. So I live in this room, guys. You just bear with me, okay? By live in this room, I mean, like, there's cords. Literally, all this is music stuff over here. Over here is music stuff. Eventually, I'll do like a little room tour, but let me open this up for you guys so you can see what I'm about to see. So let's kneeling on my microphone cord. Awesome. I'm a professional. Ah, that feels so good. Opening up new stuff. Now, let me tell you a little thing about my old desktop. I bought roughly 8 years ago, and to give you an idea how old it is, it's a Gateway. It's an old cow computer, so I'm actually happy to finally get something that's not a cow computer, that's not old. Ooh, ow, that was a sharp sound. I guess I get a Zeus mouse. That's interesting. Check that. That's cool. Cool beans. All the cords and fixins and CDs and geez, what is all this? Cords. I guess I will need this. I will need that. I'll show you guys what that's all about in a little bit. Oh boy, there's the antenna. That's gonna be fun. But I don't really connect to Wi-Fi, so the antenna is not something that I actually need. Just lost my little fuzzy on my microphone. What else does it come with? Let's see. Reinstallation CD. Gigabyte driver, all the drivers. All right, cool. They have never upgraded these cords in forever, so it doesn't even matter. And check it out. New keyboard too. I wonder if this one's gonna keep up with me. I kind of like my old keyboard, it glows. That's all the important stuff I need to know about that keyboard, is that it glows. But this one, it says it's spill resistant or in some stuff, but keyboards have a tendency not to live too long. Maybe I get about 2 years out of a keyboard before I destroy it. All right, let's try this. Okay, let's just, maybe if I don't want to break the styrofoam. Okay, here we go. That's not gonna work. And that's the box. Money shot. Oh yeah, there we go. But that's That's essentially the side. It's got the packaging material inside of it. It's pretty cool stuff. I gotta get that packaging material out. So, bear with me for a few moments and I'll get that off. So as you can see, there's the GTX 1080 right there, the liquid cooling system, the 16 gigabytes of RAM right there. The hard drive is actually built underneath here, which is actually kind of interesting to know. I think it's actually kind of interesting they gave me a CD to back everything up on, though this doesn't have a CD drive. Funny! I think they put those in there as a joke, to be honest. They're like, oh, don't worry, we got CDs for the drivers that are on this thing. Nah, you never have to worry about it. And it's like, you're cute, you're funny, hysterical. I'm actually excited to get this thing up and going, so I'll show you more of this in a second. I just gotta put it back together, and then I gotta connect everything, and that is a lot of things to connect. I might have a little mini montage going on in a second. So montage starting in 3, 2, 1, go. What's cool is with this right here, you can actually control the types of colors it goes through. Much like my, I can change it to a couple different colors. Once I find it, there we go. It's the front. Oh, there it is. It's that guy right there. There you go. So that's it. That's it up and running essentially. So I'll meet you guys in a little bit. So essentially that's the setup right now. It's all in the corner. I'm probably gonna get a bigger stand for it on the bottom. But other than that, that is the new PC. Tell me what you guys think of the new monster that we got here. Well, I'm curious. What do you guys think? I know it's different lighting because usually the lights in front of me, but now at this point in time it's right behind me. Oh, once I can get there we go. Still turning on. It sees this before it sees this. It happens all the time. But I thank you guys very much for watching. I want to know what your personal opinion about this computer is. It's going to be really fun. I can't wait to play games for you on this. This has been great. You guys have been awesome. And as usual, as always, my friends, stay frosty and game on.